Welcome to the Target Assist tutorial section part 8, where we will discuss the My Account section, located as the furthest right link at the top of the page. If you click on that, it'll take you to Manage Account, where you'll see general account maintenance duties in regards to upgrading to a full subscription if you're using our 15-day free trial, or canceling your subscription, or updating your account information, or changing your password. Your general information is shown here in the middle. Now, there are 3 other areas in the My Account section that are very important in regards to other areas of Target Assist, as seen in the Notes tutorial, where we had a script drop-down that is actually populated here. Once you click on the Add a Note script, it'll give you a chance to put your title in, and whatever that note may be, and then click Submit. And then this will give you a drop down of every kind of script that you could want. You're able to populate it as many as you like. It's all for use whenever you're adding a note and making your contact with your client. The next important section is the product code section. If you click on Add a Product Code, this will actually let you add any particular type of product code that you can assign to a contact, be that a part number or a type of service that they're using or a software or whatever it is that you're selling. So if you put in your product code here and what the detail of that is, and click Submit, this will give you a population of drop-down codes as well here that you can edit, view, or anything else. The last section of the My Account area is part of the mass email system that we'll go over now. If you go to your search results, you'll see that there's a box here on the left that you can click, or you can select all of them at the same time. Once you've selected all of the contacts, this is part of our email function. If you have the contact's email and you click on their side, then you'll click whoever it is that you would like the email to go out to, and then click Enable Mail. It'll ask if you're sure that you want to enable all the selected records. Hit OK. After you click OK, the system will let you know that you have enabled all of the contacts successfully. Then you can go back to the My Account section here at the top right again, and then you go to Send Email. Click on that, and this will give you a general email format for you to send whatever it is that you'd like to do. Subject line, there's lots of different formatting messages. You can create a signature and add a signature to it. Click Send, and your mass email will be sent to all of those that you enabled email to.